Hey y'all! Help me blow up my Instagram and YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram, 𝐁𝐀𝐂𝐊. Subscribe to my channel, Jala TV.
Okay, y'all, so I got a couple goodies. I have my shipment from Wig Dealer, so let's get into it. First and foremost, I did get a wig. It comes in this package. You know, this little package that could just, hold your wig. Easy to store, convenient. Take it on the go. I got the HD frontal wig, and the hair is Cambodian straight. And I got a 20 inch. And that'll run you about $470. Yeah, this was a little pricey, but I feel like I deserve a wig of great quality. Like HD lace, fat hair. You feel me? So, let me show y'all. This is the wig. This is the 20 inches. 20 inches. So on me, it does go to my booty. It does go down my back and to my butt. There are combs. How many combs? It's one comb, and they put the scraps on. They put the scraps in the wig to make it glueless. This is how you can not have to wear glue in your hair when it has these bands inside, these scraps that just make the wig tighter. But yes, this is a frontal wig. Like I said earlier, frontal wig, HD lace, Cambodian straight hair. On the website, it does say that it is a pre-plucked middle parts wig, flawless wig, flawless lace. It is ready to wear, and this comes in a small/medium cap, so that's about 22 inches in diameter. And the lace is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. Okay, ear to ear, you feel? Ear to ear. And I would say the lace has a slight tint to it. It's not super dark, but it's not super light. So definitely good for the darker women. It also states that it is lightly bleached knots and pre-plucked hairline. There is a natural color, so like light brown 1B, and this is Remy Hair, and this wig is to be a 150 density. I feel like what my notes about the wig so far, I haven't put it on, haven't really played with it, but I wish it was a bit thicker. I'm used to having thick wigs, so I like when my wigs are full and thick. If you don't really care about that, the density, the thickness, then you good. I mean, it got hair. It does have hair, but I just would want it to be a little thicker. That's just my personal opinion. So that is the wig, you all. If you have any further questions about the wig, the price, like I said, it was about $470. She has installment plans, so you can break it down into 4 payments. But yes, she is $470 and 20 inches of Cambodian straight. And that's what it is. I can't wait to show y'all me in the wig installed. I didn't even talk about how she feels. I don't know, like I said, she hasn't been washed or anything. She's straight out of the pack, so it's not really much to say about her right now. But when she's washed, installed, I'm gonna give another review on her. But that is her specifications, what the wig got going on right now. But when I install it and wear the wig a little bit more, I can give y'all a more thorough review on the hair. This is 20 inches. It goes down my back and all the way to my butt, and I am 5'7", so I'm pretty tall. I also got the Wig Junkie Starter Kit. It comes in this bag, and it just has all your wig essentials that you need, especially if I would say you're a first-time wig wearer and you want to hook your lace up. You want to make sure you look good. So this the starter packet. Come in this bag. I like this because you could just take this to go. Put this in your purse. Put this in your spend the night bed. Whatever you got to do to make sure your lace land. This bag got what you need. So it does come with their popular melting spray. And basically, it's like gotta be. If you know wigs, how to use Gotta Be. You put the Gotta Be on, and that's how you can put your wig on without using glue. You just use the melting spray. And it says it has an ultra hold with humidity resistance. The ultimate hold melting spray designed to keep lace in place, provides a strong hold yet removes easily, protects your edges. So I feel like this like Gotta Be. And it's $15 normally, but it is on sale for $12. I definitely think I paid $12. I don't think I paid the $15. So this is how you melt your lace on your head without using frontal, without using glue. So this is a glue alternative. And she's saying it won't damage your edges. And y'all know how we feel about edges. It also says it can be used for long-term or short-term wear. So like I said, Gotta Be a last you. When you apply the ball cap method and put the Gotta Be on to put your wig on, that lasts you a couple days. So I'm guessing this do the same thing. I'll let y'all know when I use it myself. It removes with water and doesn't leave a residue. It doesn't leave a residue like lace glue. And furthermore, she says our lace melting spray can be used for the ball cap method, and that's what we're doing these days. We're doing the ball cap method. So that's the melting spray. Again, it's like $12 on sale, but it's regularly $15. What else we got? Of course, we got an edge brush, because you know we got to get the baby hairs together. It's a wig dealer on a razor comb, but this just cuts the hair down. It shaves the hair down. If y'all know about wigs, hair, stuff like that, you know what this is. It's a razor comb, just to thinning out the hair a little bit, make it look more natural, you know. And we also have a wig cap, of course. Oh, I like that. It says Wig Junkie. Wig Junkie, and it's brown. What color is this? Yeah, 2 brown wig caps, and you know you need that for the stocking cap method. The lace melting band, and she just said this is the lace melting band, and this is a new improved design so you can melt your lace into your hair. You know how girls be having it around their hairline to hold that lace down? This is essentially what that is. And it says it's soft and stretchy, so the girls be having this hairband on to make sure they lace not moving. I would open it. I want to keep it in the package until I get my wig done, but that's essentially what I got. This kit was $36, and again, you can break the payment down into 4 installments if you want to. So this is the Wig Junkie Starter Kit from Wig Dealer and my wig, and when I come back, the wig will be in my head. So guys, let me know if y'all got any questions, but let's get into this wig, the slay, okay? Y'all see how I'm coming. Welcome back to Jala TV. So the hair is installed into my hair. So I just want to talk about the hair a bit. It's been in my hair for 2 weeks and 2 installs. Yes, I had to get it installed twice because I did go to Vegas. So I sweated my install out and my lace was lifted. So I had to get it reinstalled again. But within these 2, almost 3 weeks, I would say the hair is super soft. I like the texture. I like the density. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just right. The hair is super soft. I know when my hairstylist was putting it in my hair, she was just saying how soft it was. The makeup artist was like, your hair is so soft. I think it's soft. I can also say that this lace, this HD lace is so thin that it don't even feel like it's on my head. It doesn't feel like it is a wig. And if you wear wigs, you know how heavy and bulky they can feel. It can feel like a hat. But this, I literally do not feel it on my head. It's so light, it's so thin, not itchy, none of that other stuff. And of course, it does shed its human hair. I don't know what to tell y'all when y'all ask, do the hair shed? Of course it sheds its human hair, but nothing too crazy. You know, just your regular shedding when you brush it or comb it. I can also say it came straight, but I added curls and it can definitely hold a curl. I used my wand curler, and for this whole head, for me to curl my whole head, it took about 45 minutes. Usually it take 2 to 3 hours because the curl won't hold. But this this hair held a curl instantly. I kept the heat on for 20 seconds each piece, and it held the hair super quick, super fast. So yes, overall I do enjoy this unit. I will be purchasing it again. I definitely want to try the 613 blonde so I could dye it ginger or something like that for the fall. But yes, I do enjoy this unit. If you have any other questions, let your girl know. But yes, again, it is a lace front wig. I believe I got 20 inches. I'll let y'all know in the description the specifications of the wig, but I got it from the wig dealer. It came super quick. I'm definitely ordering again. I'm gonna try different lengths, different textures. But yeah, I really do like this hair. And I was looking for some hair that was of good quality, because you know, you want an everyday go-to wig that you can depend on. Of course, I wouldn't go to this every day because of the length, but I'm just saying, you need and you want a brand that is reliable, and I would say this one is reliable. So I'm gonna cop me a few more wigs, y'all. But again, this has been my review after 2 weeks. I showed y'all the hair at first. I showed y'all clips of me, you know, in action when I first got my hair done. But yes, I am in love with this hair. I can't wait to buy more. Again, the blonde, she coming up next, because I need me some ginger or something on the brown skin. But yes, if y'all have any more questions, comments, anything of that nature, just go ahead and comment them down below and I'll get to it. I'll answer it. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, do that, because this is the channel for you, and this is where you want to be at. So yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel, like, share. If you want to see the hair in my head on Instagram, it's all of my birthday pictures, so y'all can see me, see how she looking. But yes, I like the hair, and she giving body. She not stiff. She not stiff at all. So we love that. We love that. The end's not super thin and see-through, you know. So yes, I'm loving her. I hope y'all love my review, because this is Jala TV, and it's only gonna get better. Ooh.